Hello everyone, I'm Nandan Negde.
I'm Nayan Chopra.
We are from Excel Public School, Mysore.
Digital India movement has revolutionized most sectors, but the micro, small and medium enterprises sector has not taken up the digitalization yet.
Our government has come up with the Udyam portal, which facilitates the digitalization of the MSMEs. But out of the 63 million MSMEs in our country, only 10 million MSMEs are registered in the portal. So, we have come up with the framework where digitalization is brought to the entrepreneur's doorstep. We have created an animation video to explain our framework. We have also designed an app as part of our output. Our company is called the DigitUp, and we help create collaboration between entrepreneurs, final year engineer students, and experts in various fields. We will take the Mysore district as an example to showcase how our framework works. Around 10,200 engineering students graduate every year from different branches of engineering in Mysore. We will get the final year students who are interested in getting paid internship and register their profiles in our mobile app. In Mysore district alone, there are more than 26,000 MSMEs. Entrepreneurs will get access to numerous profiles of engineering students from our app.
Retired experts from global companies who have held key positions and acted as strategic advisors can also register their profiles in our app. Our digital platform will help create a successful collaboration between entrepreneurs, student interns, and experts to digitalize the business and take the business to the next level. Student interns can help scale up the business of entrepreneurs in many ways. For example, student interns from computer engineering backgrounds can offer software services like building a website to showcase their products, a mobile app to widen the market. Interns from information technology can help transmit, store, manipulate, and retrieve data. IT interns can help secure data and prevent cyber attacks and financial fraud. Experts in collaboration can offer clarity about workable and non workable solutions to the students. Experts, due to their global exposure, can add value to the MSMEs in following ways: impart knowledge about global standards and norms, help get certifications needed for the international export, help achieve the quality of products to get standards, provide guidance to showcase products at international trade fairs.
The idea of the DigitUp framework can also be extended to the G20 countries. The digital empowerment of MSMEs has been prioritized in the G20 summit due to the economic distress, inflation, and recession fears after COVID 19.
DigitUp offers entrepreneurs customized solutions to upgrade their business effectively as well as brings in scope for more employment in the sector.
We both have learned many new skills like online research, coding, graphic design, etc. while working on the project.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.